But
Me a pass for that car here, man, I show it out. Yo, watch it.
and you know where that goes, psychologically, it desensitizes a young mind to violence and blood.
Some of them youth need to fight for your car.
That man doesn't know. He just making that programming the brother. At that time, word man, programming the man. I just
Go like another.
that me I tell you, man, yo, judge him. I tell you stories. Something have to change, brother.
Something have to change. But guess what? Don't expect any major change anytime soon. What I can tell you is that your little circle be the change you would want to see.
That is it.
Really tough.
Numbers. Ones and ones.
That is it.
Well, Xpressionz.
There.
Yes,
Yes. Number. Make it a minute now. Watch.
Yeah. Wrong way.
No.
Yeah. Sing. Here's yes. What's that? That's the man of God. Yeah, man.
Let's say you think we're say,
Good man. That's a first space.
Alright, if you say good, there we go. Good.
What go on, Miss Xpressionz?
We need your services urgently.
Services like what? Farm produce.
No. We need it for hack the system and bring up some surveillance camera for me.
Miss Xpressionz, a long time I not do nothing like that, you know. So, we don't have access to all that surveillance camera then.
The agency temporarily inactive. We need you to do this for me.
Miss Xpressionz, promise myself that I really want to go back over that side of the world then, because remember, you know, I have a record, you know. And if anybody find out that I am hacking my system, you know, I not come back a road for now.
This is life and death. As somebody life we are trying to save.
What exactly you want?
We need you to activate all of the surveillance camera them, from South Cam to Tamred Cam. I want you to keep an eye on a specific person. Or me send you the details.
Alright. You remember that? I can't activate it because I do it already. I know that area there. So what I'm gonna do is when I activate them, I'll send the link to your phone. So anytime you want to see it, you can see it. But here the premise is Mr. It can't be over 3 days. So whatever you try to find out, you have to find out in 3 days. After 3 days, them can find out if somebody acting in the system. They can only put up a block for 3 days.
Don't worry. This will be over in 1 day.
Send me the deeds. I'm gonna deal with you.
Thanks. Don't look so sad. You're doing national service. Ones and ones. It's really an in and out movement here. We're gonna link up one of the day and have a drink and race here. For now, look come on. We start.
Think on.
Squad, you should have
Yeah, man, I think good.
Rasta, everything alright?
Yeah, man. Everything good.
It lock. That means that she not there.
Ah, boy.
Numbers. Send me the surveillance camera link them. No.
Stinger, are you here? I'm on location.
On location.
I'm going in now.
Hello? Oh, you're here. Alright, I'll disable the cameras. Hey, you.